expression that represents, write an expression that represents the quotient. Quotient, what does that mean? Division, remember that, division of 6m and 8h. So when they say write the quotient, I'm talking about division. So all I'm doing is 6m over 8h. That's it. I'm done. I don't have to solve it because they are only telling me to write an expression. They're not saying to evaluate. Evaluate. That means to solve. Okay? They want me to solve, but here they're telling me write it. Because they say write, that is all I'm doing. Not doing anything else. Okay? Así sí está. Next. Part A. Right here. Excuse me. Right here. Write an expression in simplest form for the area of a rectangle. Area equals multiplication. Area equals multiplication. Length times times width. Okay? You multiply these two numbers when you're finding the area. So in this case, we have a rectangle with the length of 5 meters and 3 meters width. Okay, so we have an area, which in this case is going to be 5c times 3. I need to find the area, so in this case I need to evaluate it. So that's going to give me 15c. And it's going to get just a little complicated here because it's going to involve some fraction, and you will see what I mean. This is part A. Now comes part B, and it looks a little difficult, but it is not. Now that c that we have here has a value, and is the value of 1/2. Okay, so c is equals to 1/2. So I'm going to take my 15 and multiply it to my 1/2. And how can I multiply a whole number by a fraction? I cannot do that, so I have to turn my whole number into a fraction so that I can proceed and multiply. Can I cross cancel anything? Here and here, no. Here and here, no. So I will just multiply like such. This is 15 over 2. And what kind of fraction do I have now? This is an improper fraction. An improper fraction, we cannot leave an answer as an improper fraction, so I have to divide it. So it's going to be 2. Remember, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. I always say that. Okay, now we ask ourselves, can 2 go into 1? Nope. Put next. Can 2 go into 15? Yes, it can. How many times? We're going to say 7. Because 2 times 7 equals 14. And we would subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. So that's it. So now my answer is 7 and 1/2. That's my answer, 7 and 1/2 for part B. Okay, now let's move on.